let's just get straight to it. I don't have anything to talk about. Yay, that's my new top that I've made. Sort of a lacy sort of top. I have used this fabric before a few years back for a wedding piece. I just had a lot left of it, so I thought, what am I going to do with it? Might as well make something out of it. I would do something different then. Next time I do make something like this and I do want to use lace, I would use a lighter fabric. This one was a bit too heavy, and maybe try to use the right needle because my needle bent, but luckily I do have spares, and I did have the right one eventually, but it was just a disaster. But it's all good, it turned out okay. I do feel like it is going to be quite heavy, so I would wear it now around the springtime because it's still kind of cold but not, and obviously I'm going to wear something underneath because it isn't that type of show. But yeah, I hope you like it. This is going to be a short video, so let me know what you think, and I'll probably try to make some other things. I haven't yet got the guts yet to buy some fabrics online because I'm just too scared that I might get it and it's not what I think it is, even though with the description. I prefer to go to the warehouses or the shops to make sure I can feel it and see how the fabric will lay, open it up, which I'm sure most shopkeepers hate when I do, but to make sure that it's good, I am just, I don't know, I guess I gotta bite the bullet and do it and see how it goes. But what I'll do, if I make enough clothes in one video, I would do a haul video, just to show you how it all looks like and see how all the outfits are made, but we'll see how it goes. My days are going so quickly, I don't even know when I'm gonna actually post this video because I still have to edit it, and I usually do post on a Saturday, so if I post this on a Sunday, happy Sunday. If I post it today, great. But don't forget to like and subscribe, share it, let me know what you think, share the love, and check out the other videos that I've made, and also just check out my Instagram page. I will put it down in the description below so you can see the outfits. I'm going to just try to take a few pictures, and there you go. Bye.